Hey you guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today I've got some fun stuff for you with outdoor entertaining ideas, and all of it is affordable and from Walmart, so stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of when our next video is live, and we will check out all these fun, affordable finds. I wanted to create kind of like a setup that felt really high-end, but wasn't. That's sort of my goal in life in all of my designs. If you remember these cute chairs that are from Walmart, hopefully they will restock them again. They come back in stock periodically because they are one of their top sellers. I discovered them a few months ago and luckily was able to get 6 of them. I had them mixed with some other chairs, and then I ended up buying some more because we needed some for our fire pit area that we're working on, so I moved the other 4 over there, and I'm loving these. I kind of wanted to do a table setting that could be somewhat timeless and just fun and still felt summery, but would also work, other times of the year. If you have things like these dishes, they are great indoors or outdoors because they are dishwasher safe, and microwavable as well. These are a ceramic, so obviously not like the best thing for kids, but I didn't want to buy a whole new set of dishes just for outside. I did get some cute cups though. These ones are plastic and they're just a really fun stripe. So those are a little more kid friendly, and they added just a cute little detail with that stripe element. The drink dispenser is another really cute one for your summer parties. I love that it's a square shape, and then it has, of course, the dispenser there and a cute lid, and then this rope handle so that it has kind of a unique element to it. I just used a lot of white, as you'll see. There's even the white in the lid, the white striped cups, and then they have so many cute planters right now at Walmart. This is one of them, this little guy. And even this plant inside here, this is called an asparagus fern. And I saw those at the Walmart nursery center that they had just at my local store. So I grabbed some of those, they're so fun. These trays are another favorite. So this one is made for outdoor use. And so it looks like a typical rattan, but it's more of like a plastic type material, so they will be durable. They could get wet and be fine. There's this one, and there's also one that's a rectangle that's even larger. So those are great for your outdoor entertaining. And this planter bowl I'm obsessed with. I feel like everyone needs one of these, at least one. I might have a couple or 3. But what's so cute is I love this fluted detail in that it's a pedestal bowl, and it has a little drainage thing in the bottom, so you can use it for a planter, or you could use it as a bowl, and just leave that filled in. These hand towels, so cute. There's a 3-pack, and it has a solid white, which I used in with the muffins. And then there's another wider stripe pattern that you'll see with the bagels. And then this one, really cute for this kind of outdoor entertaining, so that you have, something for cleanup and things like that. But also just really cute for styling. And you can use them, in your kitchen or as bathroom hand towels. I love those because they're so affordable, and then they have such a cute look to them as well. If you guys want to do a little Mother's Day or Father's Day brunch or something, this is really cute for display. Also baby showers and things like that. I love having stuff like this to use for lots of different purposes. It's like a galvanized metal, and then of course I just laid that little striped towel on the tray, and then we put our bagels in there. So it's a cute little one. This is the same design as the trays. So they have it in this utensil caddy. You can use that for your straws, and these wooden utensils are so cute, or your napkins you could put in here as well. Really, really fun for organizing. This bowl I thought was so pretty too, with the wood detail. We just have the muffins in there, but it's got just such pretty tones in it. Feels really high-end, and it was a reasonable deal too. Again, from Walmart. So all of this stuff I just was able to, you can order online, or you can go into store and they might have it. Here's the smaller size of that planter, and I love them together. I highly recommend, just because the price is so great, to get both if you can, to get one of the large and one of the small, and you can pair them together on your coffee table or wherever you're using. Such a good deal. And this one, of course, I used a plant in. I love them either way. I'll show you what it looks like, the larger one with a plant in it too. So this one here, I got a bunch of those asparagus ferns and put them together. So they're a little bit finer leaf. Sorry, somebody's doing some yard work or something. It's fine, we'll wait. Just kidding.
It's a saw.
It's a saw.
The neighbors are doing some renovating, I think.
Oh, well, I'm all about that, so press on. This is the larger size again in the bowl, but with the asparagus ferns. See how there's that little, Ben's gonna try and zoom in there for you, that little stopper that you can pull out if you want it to drain. Over here, this is a really good deal, this little side table. I love the texture on it, and I think it's like 40 bucks. So, and it's, you know, ceramic, and it's great for outdoor use. And this guy, another cute one, I'm obsessed with the scallop edge. Just something about scallops is just so cute. This is one that I think would be cute as like a gift, maybe Mother's Day gift if you're still in the market. Anyway, it's kind of like got a matte finish, which is great as well. And this is another one that could be used as a bowl or as a planter. It is technically a planter, but I think it'd be really cute as just a bowl on a shelf. All right, this pot is one that I'm in love with. It kind of has a terracotta type look to it, but then it's not so orangey. It's more of like the subtle earthy brownish tone. It comes in 3 sizes. This is the large, and there's a medium and a small, and they even have a little matching drip trays that go underneath that you can get. I think I might go back and grab one because it was really cute now that I'm like thinking about it. Over here, another little cute planter for you. These ones are the rattan wrapped, and they're so cute. I love them. This is the larger one, and then over here is the smaller, so you can see them together. This one has the drip, this removable drip thingy too, so you can have drainage. I feel like this is important information, but there's the small and there's the large, so they're cute as a pair as well. Super affordable, super affordable, and really good detail on them. So again, super cute. Another Walmart favorite is this egg chair. This is the kid size one. They also have it in an adult size. The people actually bought it with our last house because they loved it, of course. I need to get some more egg chairs, and they have them in the gray. They're just sold out, so I'll be watching for those to come back. As always, follow me on Instagram so you can know when restocks happen, and you can get the best sales and deals in my Instagram stories daily. Thank you guys for checking out my affordable patio table setup with Walmart. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live. Lots more fun stuff coming your way.